Hi there, this is Christy, and in the Digital Marketing Club, I am adding in 4 printables and/or planners every month. Okay, for example, this is February 2025, and this is what is launching right here. And you can find all of these in the classroom under freebies. This is what is there so far. Gratitude printable download, Merry Christmas 2-page PLR printable. And most of these you can resell. 50 free faceless videos and 30 free hooks, free 2-page travel printable, 2025 90-page planner with resale rights, free 2-page weekly planner, Hello Fall, Fall Daily, January birthday calendar, self-care planner, which is actually a Canva planner as well. And I love this because you can go into Canva and you can tweak these or you can download as is. And then there's 2025 Canva, printable calendar, nail art Canva template, wedding Canva template, meal planner Canva template. And let me tell you why this is so valuable, because if you were to go into my online store and buy these separately, it would cost you a lot more than the monthly membership. Except for this one. This one is like this is like an introductory offer to get people on my subscriber list. But most of them are $4.99, $9.97, $19, $9.97, $17. So it's quite a savings to get them all included, plus coaching, plus a lot of my courses I put on here for you to show you, what to do with digital download marketing online. And we do cover affiliate marketing as well. If I go back into the classroom, 4 ways I make money with Pinterest, how to begin affiliate marketing videos, how to upload your first Pinterest pin, how to create your own membership, 4 easy steps to give your group members some Pinterest love, 7-day email golden nuggets challenge, simply pin it. This one is very, very popular. This is in the PDF form, and this is the same information in a video series. This is a mind map overview. This is how I made $4,000 in the doggy niche when I first got started online. And this goes along with that. This is how to create a gorgeous Canva website inside of Canva. This is how to set up a stand store. This one's sort of on hold till we find out, what happens with TikTok. This one is about affiliate sales. This again is about stand store, which is super popular on Instagram. This is a digital success roadmap. These are high ticket and low ticket affiliate offers that you can sign up for. This is Pinterest plus Etsy. This is how to use YouTube, because I use all these platforms at one time or another. Set up your stand store with this free product. How to write an ebook with AI. I love this. Affiliate marketing FAQs. 2004 digital calendar. Of course, now we're in 2025. So I have updated. You get a 2025 Canva calendar. This is gorgeous Pinterest video pins done for you. This is free affiliate 2-page planner, free faceless PLR ebook. In Canva, this is a 100-page PLR self-care planner. In Canva, 137-page PLR ultimate faceless playbook. And then again, where we started, all of these are included. Okay, so jump in. You can cancel anytime. We'd love to have you. You are invited.